This Baby Joy high chair is actually multifunctional because the booster seat actually sits on top of a detachable base that can be used as a table. But today I'll show you what the high chair is like. First up, we have a detachable wide tray that has a lip all around the edge, making it difficult for spilled liquids from dripping to the floor or to the baby. Then we have a harness that has straps that are adjustable, which is handy if you have multiple babies using this chair, or even if you only have one, because as the baby grows, you can loosen the straps. The seat cushion and the back are very nicely padded to make it as comfortable as possible to sit in. And here we have the high chair standing at the end of our kitchen island. You can see there's plenty of surface area both on the tray as well as on the table base to place your dinnerware as well as wipes and other essentials. And then here's what the high chair looks like with the tray removed. You can see the entire seating area is double layered, and as your child grows, you can remove the seat cushion, which gives more room for your bigger child to sit in. And you can see how sturdy and stable this high chair is. There are four legs designed in a pyramid shape, and the bottom of each foot has a rubber foot cap to ensure the high chair stays in place, whether on a rug or on a hard surface floor.